Hello, Mr. Andre. My name is Fabio. Today I'm going to present about preparing a salt using an acid and an insoluble base, a step-by-step scientific approach. Introduction. Definition. A salt is a compound formed when an acid reacts with base. Types of bases: soluble bases and insoluble bases. General reaction formula: acid plus base equals salt and water, or salt plus water. Aim of the experiment. Objective: to prepare a salt by reacting an acid with an insoluble base. Example reaction: hydrochloric acid plus copper oxide equals copper chloride plus water. Now, the required materials and equipment. The materials are hydrochloric acid and copper oxide. The equipments: beaker, Bunsen burner, filter paper and funnel, and the last evaporating dish. Step 1. Adding the insoluble base to the acid. Pour hydrochloric acid into a beaker, then add the copper oxide gradually while stirring. Continue adding until no more dissolves. Step 2. Filtration process. Set up a funnel with filter paper, pour the solution to remove excess copper oxide, collect the filtered, which is copper chloride solution. Step 3. Evaporation and crystallization. Heat the filter gently with a Bunsen burner. Stop heating when crystals start forming. Allow the solution to cool for larger crystal growth. Observations and results. Before reaction, hydrochloric acid is a colorless solution. Copper oxide is a black solid. After reaction, solution turns blue-green solid residue because excess copper oxide is filtered out. Thank you. Now for the questions first. Number 1 question: why is there a need to add excess copper oxide? Excess copper oxide is added to make sure all the acid reacts and no acid is left in the solution. The extra copper oxide can be easily removed by filtration. Number 2. What is the color filtrate? Identify the filtrate. A. The filtrate is a blue-green. B. The filtrate is copper chloride solution. Question number 3. Identify the salt crystals. The salt crystals that formed was a copper sulfate. Question number 4. Write the word equation for this neutralization. Sulfuric acid plus copper oxide equals copper sulfate plus water. The last question: what ions replace the hydrogen ions in the sulfuric acid in this reaction to form the salt? The copper ions from copper oxide replace the hydrogen ions in sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate. In conclusion, the experiment shows that a salt can be prepared by reacting an acid with an insoluble base. In this case, copper sulfate was formed by reacting sulfuric acid with excess copper oxide, followed by filtration and crystallizations to obtain pure salt crystals. That's all for my scientific project. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye.